How to use coupons on Shein app. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can use coupons on Shein app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the Shein application in your mobile device and make sure to log into your account. Now you can use coupon code in Shein during your checkout. So for that you have to select some product. So go ahead and choose some product. Then add to your cart. Once you have added to your cart, tap on the cart icon and then tap on the product that you would like to purchase. Once you have selected the product, tap on checkout button from the bottom right corner. Now it will ask you to enter your shipping address. Provide your shipping address. Again, it's gonna ask you to enter your payment methods and your payment information. So enter your payment method and your card information. Once done with that, under that there you will have a small text box to enter your coupon code. All you have to do is type in your correct coupon code and then tap on apply. Once done with that, your coupon code will be applied and you will get certain amount of discount on your product on the purchase on Shein application. And that's how you can use coupons on Shein application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.